Good morning, guys. It's early. I still got me dressing gown on. I got a coffee on the go. I gotta be quiet. Still people still asleep. So, Spider-Man statue is finished, and it's come out well. So I'm going to turn the camera around. I can have a look at it. Okay, here it is. Done in 1/8 scale, 100% of the Sanix file, and here it is. I'll do a 360 for you, and then we'll go through the paint scheme, what paint I used. Okay, there you go. Paint was really easy, as they say, keep it simple, stupid. So the blue was a base of this new one here, Azul Negro. So it's like black blue. It's got a weird finish to it. It's like velvety. I'm not quite sure about that one. Okay, and then we do a heavy dry brush with some good old dark blue, and then pick up highlights, anything going down with this one, Azul Ultramarine Blue. And what was that one? Yeah, Night Blue. Okay, the red. The red was start off with this one, which is Nocturnal Red, which is painted all over, and then a heavy dry brush with this one, Scarlet Red, and the highlights were this one, Bloody Red. The black lines are just black lines, watered down and rubbed the excess over, and the eyes were a base colour of that one, was it cold grey? The lower half was Stonewall grey, and then the top half was this was very, put on very loosely, Ghost grey, and then we got some little ticks and dots on there, which were dead white. And that's that. The edging between the colours was when I find it, no, not that one. I think it's just, no, it wasn't even that one. I think it was just that one, steel, for around there. And this I paintbrushed on, and it gets everywhere. It's really thin, so you might have to leave it to sit on your palette for a while. Right, so I'll give this another turn around. As I said, this is hand painted. Brushes I use, just various brushes. But the main brush for dry brushing is this one here, which is Artis Opus D, which is a medium dry brush. They're quite expensive, but they're They're very good. Right, I'm going to have the rest of my coffee and then have my breakfast. And then I'm going to look at doing some printing. Cheers, guys.